how you can get free virtual numbers for WhatsApp. So let's begin. First of all, open the Play Store and search for an app called UgPhone. Download it, install it, and then open it. Now, at the very bottom, tap on the Start button. On the next page, click on the Get button at the bottom. It will ask you to log in with Google, so simply log in. Next, on the top right corner, you'll see a skip option. Just tap on it. Now, here comes the most important part. Don't touch anywhere, just wait a few seconds, until you see the redeem option. When it appears, tap on redeem, and wait again for a few seconds until it fully loads. After that, click on the next button at the bottom. On the next page, you'll see account payable $0. Just click on the $0 pay button at the bottom. It's loading. And now, the second most important screen appears. Do nothing here, absolutely nothing, just wait until the free order is processed and completed. Once it's done, click on the Check the Device button at the bottom. It will start loading again. If you face the error screen saying restarting, just close the app and reopen it. That will fix the restarting error. Now, once you're back inside, look at the bottom, you'll see more options. Tap on it, and a pop-up will open. From here, select Device Replacement. On the next screen, it shows Germany by default. Tap on it, and instead, select America. Now click Confirm, and then tap on Replace at the bottom. If you face another error like device has expired, again, just close the app and reopen it. After reopening, when everything looks okay, you'll also see a pop-up saying the app is running. At this point, in the UgPhone app, you will see Google Play Store. Tap to open Play Store. Make sure you sign in using the same Gmail ID that you used with UgPhone. After signing in, the Play Store might ask you to restart the app to complete the update. So go ahead and tap on Restart. Now search for an app called TextNow. Download and install it. Then open it. It will ask you to sign up. Again, use the same Gmail ID you used before. On the next page, tap Use Wi-Fi only at the bottom. Then click on Select Phone Number, and wait until it fully loads. After loading, the next page will ask you to choose a phone number. Here's the most important tip, number 3. To avoid errors, always select the 647 area code, which is Canada. If you pick another code, you might face different errors. After choosing 647, you'll see different free numbers. Just pick one that you like, and click Continue at the bottom. On the next page, there's a press and hold button. Do it for verification. Next, select Personal. And finally, congratulations, it will give you a free number. Now, open WhatsApp. And then tap on App Language to add another language. Scroll down and select Azerbaijan. Now go back and tap on Agree and Continue. When it asks for a number, choose Canada as the country. Now switch back to the TextNow app, copy your free number, and paste it into WhatsApp. Tap Next for OTP. You'll receive the OTP inside the TextNow app. Note it down, and type it into WhatsApp for confirmation. And that's it, congratulations again. You've successfully created a WhatsApp account with a free international number. Backhand index pointing right, and remember, after creating your WhatsApp account successfully, you can always go back and change your language to whatever you want.